All right, I just arrived here at Sunnyhill Restoration Area. This has been on my radar for a while, and the parking area here is huge. And look at this oak hammock that's back here behind me, heading out. I think it comes out of that into some flat areas because it goes along the Oklawaha River. But check out the parking. There's my truck, only one in the parking area. It's a huge area. Back behind me over here, I see a bridge. Right there. Oh, nope. Where is it? It's right over there. Yeah. And I'm pretty sure that's a bridge over the Oklawaha River. So this hike looked like it could be interesting. It's a rainy day, which is one of the only cool days we're going to get here for a while. And it's not cool. I think maximum temperature somewhere mid to upper 70s today, and that's because of the overcast and rain. I'll take a couple of shots of these oaks. I haven't been out in quite some time, so glad to be out here. Okay, let's get started. Just looking up at some of these beautiful large oaks. Look at the Spanish moss on that. Beautiful. Anyway, the hike starts by coming through this gate. I think they use it as a horse trail. There's plenty of room here for a lot of horse trailers. So let's see, how does this open? You just push it? Yeah, just push it. And whoops, a little bit noisy. Oh, there's cattle out here. Great. And obviously this is to help mount horses. All right, get started. It is 5 to 11. Well, I already started off wrong. I went through a gate on the opposite side of parking, ended up having to walk along a barbed wire fence, and in climbing over it there was an actual entrance way to this hike over on the far side of the parking area. But I can see right now we're coming out on the Oklawaha River. You can see it right up here. Many years ago, when my almost 50-year-old kids were little kids, we came up here on a boat all the way to Silver Springs, through Lake Griffin, and eventually up through a lock that is on farther up the Oklawaha River. I don't think I can go that far. I could, possibly. Not sure. But it's my understanding there's lots of alligators here too. So let's go look for a couple. Okay, right now I'm out, looks like a levee walk all along the Oklawaha River. Right behind me there's where I came from, probably half a mile out. And right behind me there is where I'm going. This hugs the Oklawaha for at least half of the hike. There's one piece of property back here on the other side that, whoops, I can't find my hiking stick. You can see the dock back there. So it's been a long time since I've come out for a hike, so I'm excited at least to get out and do a little walking out in the wilderness. Sort of wilderness. Oklawaha is a very somewhat remote river. Again, we've taken it all the way up to Silver River and then on up into Silver Springs, where we even encountered the monkeys Like I said, that's probably 35 years ago. And we just saw some film of that the other day with my mom and dad and the kids in our boat when they were kids. Fun times. This is the river we came all the way up. There's also a levee that you have to go into, and it lowers you down to the Oklawaha on the other side. So, well, let me go back behind me here. So, very, very wide expanse of probably wetlands. And the other side of that is the loop that comes back. So that might be interesting coming back, as this is pretty standard, just levee walk, but it is nice just the same, just to get out. It's been a while. All right, carry on. All right, well, there's a manatee. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, look at it. There was another one here too, I think, unless he swam over there really fast. Hopefully he'll come up here again. Pretty cool. I didn't expect to see manatee on this river. I've already seen one gator. He was pretty good size, but he didn't let me get close enough to take any good pictures or video, either one, before he submerged. All right, starting to rain a little bit and coming up on a couple of my favorite birds, sandhill cranes. Look at them out here in the middle of nowhere on this levee. Hi guys, what's up? What's up guys? You doing all right? Hey, how are you? Look at you. Be careful out here. Them gators, they don't care much about what you guys look like. Hi. Oh, beautiful bird. Love them. Well, the rain is picking up now, which is really kind of good. A little bit warm in my rain jacket. This is probably one of the best days as we go into summer we're going to have for getting out anywhere. It's one thing I don't like about Florida is the heat, especially associated with hiking, because it just gets too darn hot and too darn humid to do a lot of hiking in the summertime. I had hoped to get up to Virginia. There's a section of the Appalachian Trail. I did want to try a 100 mile on the Appalachian Trail after I did my 100 on the Florida Trail. And I wanted to get up there before the weather started getting too warm. But right now, it's questionable. We look at next week, possibly going up. I doubt it. We've got some other things we need to attend. So by the time we get a chance to go up there, it may be a little bit warm there as well. And we're waiting on COVID-19 to kind of hopefully let up and open up some places so we're comfortable with travel. Right now we're not comfortable with that either. All right, I am enjoying the rain. I don't know if you can kind of hear it hitting on my rain jacket. And and the wind's picking up, so that's going to help keep it from getting way too hot. Maybe. Oklawaha River. A beautiful, long, straight river. Check out this little shelter I just came upon. You saw the pictures probably. Let me turn around. I don't know if you can hear the rain coming down on the tin roof. It sounds really cool. This is the opposite side of the Oklawaha. It looks like a very big marsh area. But look at this. Nice, very nice seating. I don't know why they have seating in here, but I guess you could lay down, put a not a hammock, but a sleeping bag down there. This is pretty cool. For right now, it's raining pretty firm too, so I'm really glad to have this. Really cool. It's raining pretty hard right now. Lots of mud right here. I almost slipped in this a while ago. Mud, Florida mud. Sandy mud. Not real mud, as I like to call it. But you can see, I don't know if you can hear it raining, but yeah, it's okay. A muddy, wet day out hiking beats a day sitting inside waiting on COVID-19 to clear up. So actually I'm enjoying it. The rain has helped keeping it cool, and I've said several times already, it's too hot to hike in Florida unless you get something like this. You need some bad conditions to do this as you get towards summer, and we got them. Okay, it's pouring now, and not much I can do with my shoes. I'm in the water, I'm soaked, other than my upper body is protected by my raincoat. I'm taking a cut over from the Oklawaha River over to the trail that kind of does the loop back. I'm not going to attempt the 12.5-mile part. Probably about 6 or 7 miles total. We'll see, but it's raining pretty hard. Okay, so I did get off the levee and back into some little wooded area. It's like a little, I don't know, forest access road. Never seen a person or a vehicle, but this makes it a little bit different than just walking along the levee. A little variety. Started to see a couple of mosquitoes. I've had a couple of flies, like tiny, like small horse flies, because they're the type of fly that lands on you and too stupid to move. Let me smack them and kill them. Which I'll feel better after I do that. All right. Probably within a half a mile of my truck. Okay, a little more animal life here. This guy, he's good size. Oh yeah. I don't know what he's doing. Here's my stick, give you an idea. He's a pretty big boy. Hi guy. All right, I am not going to bother you. Okay, this is looking back towards, I believe that'd be the west, towards the Oklawaha River. I walked where that tree line is, all the way up there, and then I've come back in a big rectangle circle, come back through the forest there a little bit, finally some forest, and this is looking back, I believe this is east. This is wetlands, all wetlands. It's really been, other than overcast, it's been a very enjoyable hike today. I'm up on that viewing platform. I have not seen one person, and I've probably gone at least 7 miles. All right. All right. I just finished. Map My Run says almost 8 miles. It really was a very nice hike. Not a lot of forest. I did go through some forest. Most of it was levee along the Oklawaha River. But yeah, it's nice to get out again. Sitting inside, eating too much. Got a little exercise today. Now I'm going to see if there's a little redneck bar, it looks like anyway, on the river just across the road. I'm going to go try that out because I could use a little something to eat. All right. Later.